Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we what? We had this bullish breakout a couple of weeks ago, right? Last time when we had the bullish breakout in weekly, that was here on 7th of October. So, on this candle a couple of weeks ago, okay, on 29th, was it? Yeah, on 29th of September, 10 days ago, I did tell you when I saw this bullish breakout that this could be the official uptrend. Okay, this could be the official uptrend because that's what exactly happened last time. Last time we had bullish breakout, and this is weekly chart. I'm talking about weekly right now. Okay, in weekly time frame, we had a bullish breakout in October 2024, and since then we never stopped. And then we had again bullish, bearish breakout. Okay, so again here this is same pattern forming in weekly bullish breakout, and then since then we are up in last 2 weeks in USDCAD. Okay, so I think we are fully in the uptrend now. Coming back to daily time frame, now it is very dangerous when USDCAD goes into uptrend. Okay, because in USDCAD in uptrend, you don't really get the chance to enter. Okay, because this whole week in last 5 days I had been telling that we have to wait for the price to reject the EMA, that is your swing entry, and it has never touched the EMA. Okay, I'm still hoping we might get the chance to for the price to come back so that we can make our long entry here at the EMA, and then we can ride the trend. Okay, but as I said, USDCAD is very, very dangerous when it comes in the uptrend. It does not give you the opportunity to enter until unless you enter here. If you enter here, you might go in drawdown for some time if it bounces back. Otherwise, you might ride the wave. Okay, so I would say look for long after the pullback as per the theory. Okay, coming back to 4 hour again. In 4 hour, this is your bullish breakout. Wait for the pullback only then. So that's it. So look for longs after the pullback if you can get a pullback in USDCAD. Otherwise, you can trade Euro, USD, GBP, USD. Okay, so much for free. So subscribe, like, join Telegram for free, and we have discussed everything in the beginning. And join the broker through my link and do it. Otherwise, I will not do it. Take care. Bye.